This week on Pole House Blackpot Weekend Getaways, we conclude our visit to Painted Rock Conservation Area. We have shared with you the amenities at the conservation area. In the last 2 episodes, we've shown you a wonderful hiking path. On the menu were corn casserole, applesauce donut holes, and this week we show you how to make garlic cheese biscuits. So stick around.
I think they're done, hon.
In the last 3 videos, we have Unhook the Camper, setting up camp and touring the amenities at Painted Rock Conservation Area, we went on a hike and learned the history of this conservation area. And now it's time to fix our last dish. Well, we're still at Painted Rock, aren't we?
That's right.
This is the last in this series, and it's just a cooking video. We're going to fix something we had before. When did we fix basic biscuits?
Our very first video.
The one where we cooked at, and that would
No,
have been
yeah, the second video.
the Robertsville. That was what it was.
Yes.
This is in the cookbook, including what he's doing. It's a little twist to it. What is this?
Instead of a basic biscuit, we started with that recipe. We're making garlic cheese biscuits out of that.
And I just realized something you don't have out here.
What's that?
Your cheese.
I know. I'll go get that. So
Yeah.
we're going to get that organized, regroup, and I'll start mixing that up. We'll be right back. Okay. Now, we started with our dry ingredients. We did a pre-mix. Get a close-up of that, Angel. And
The only thing that's missing on that is how much cheese.
yeah. And this is basically flour, baking powder, salt, and some garlic powder. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and add that dry mix into our bowl.
Iris, leave it.
And then
She likes eating rocks. Not like she's going to get anywhere with it. Leave it.
we're going to add some cheese. We're using shredded Colby Jack and cheddar mix. You can use, a lot of times you just use cheddar, but we had this combo. And we're going to do a little bit of minced garlic. We did garlic powder, we're always doing minced, also, excuse me, doing minced garlic. And if you want to know the amount of ingredients of each one, we'll pop that up at the end of the recipe.
Well, for a full batch. We're making this a small batch.
I'm going to mix these dry ingredients kind of together real quick.
Now, why do you mix your cheese in with your flour?
I think if you do it this way, it's just easier to get the cheese evenly distributed throughout your biscuit.
So it doesn't like run to the bottom again.
Yeah, kind of gets important. And then we only have a half a cup. This recipe it's just got half a cup of milk. We're not quite level here, but close enough. And quarter cup of oil. Add both of them. Mix it up. Now with any biscuit, you want to mix it up till it comes together.
And then
you stop mixing, because if you over mix a biscuit, they start getting tough.
now, are you going to pat these out?
You can. A lot of times you can lay them out on a board and use a cutter, cookie cutter or something, and cut them up in nice, pretty rounds. Or I think we did this before on recipes, just lay them and pat them out directly in the Dutch oven, and then kind of score them. So you have little square ones, and you can put more that way into one Dutch oven. Works good that way too, but I think we'll do a little bit different tonight. We're going to do a drop biscuit. Same idea, we're just going to kind of put them in spoonfuls and put them in a Dutch oven, and then we're going to bake them. So now, as you can see, kind of come together, and once they start forming their ball into ball,
You want to quit.
you want to quit. Okay, and we're going to be right back, and we'll show you how to get them in the Dutch oven and get back and get them baking. So we'll be right back. Okay, so basically I'm going to try to kind of form them into little balls, and we're going to drop them right down in.
And you did something at the bottom of that.
I put just a little bit of melted butter, probably a little bit bigger. We'll kind of see, we might have to redo them. I haven't done them this way much, but we're trying to do a homemade version. Basically, when you get done, these are going to be a lot like, only I think even better, Red Lobster's Garlic Cheese Biscuit. Those are always good.
Iris may know.
A little bit more in this one. A little smaller. Okay.
Getting all these goodie off of there.
Right. Let's wedge them in there. Alright, a couple in the center are smaller, but that won't hurt anything.
Okay, we're gonna get the bake on.
Yep, charcoal's almost ready. Be right back. Okay, charcoal's ready. Alright. Now, let's put our, we lost a piece of charcoal through there. That's all right, we'll use that one on the bottom anyway. Okay, so we're doing a regular 8-inch, and we're baking. So we're gonna do be about 18. That'll give us about 6 on the bottom.
Because what size Dutch oven is that?
We're doing it. This is an 8-inch Dutch oven. Okay, now let's put it on top.
And yes, folks, he counts out every piece of charcoal.
Just a little bit in there. Got a nice bed of coals and a ring, and that's it. Yeah, we'll get our cooking going. They're baking. I'll probably get my wind guard here in a minute, put around it. Get our breezes coming and going pretty good. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll show you how to finish up as soon as we're done cooking. Be right back. Okay, it's been 30 minutes cook time, and I think the garlic cheese biscuits are ready because we can smell them. So let's check
Yes. And see that wind? It's awful out here right now.
it. Yep. Alrighty, ready?
Uh-huh. Oh yeah, them are done. Ooh.
Perfect.
We're going to regroup and we'll show you how we finish these off. If there's much of that left, let's dip it in there.
I don't want any left. Okay, that's it. All right. Garlic cheese biscuits. Already.
Look at them. You gonna serve them up, or
Ooh, look
we
at the
just
bottom.
reaching in? Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yep.
I'll just reach in here.
All right, I'm gonna taste first.
Okay, fine. You taste first.
Look at that. Beautiful inside. Every bit as good, if not better, I think better than red lobster.
Well, you are kind of prejudiced on that, you know. All right, it's my turn. Ah.
Goes good with those lentil soups.
Uh-huh.
Lentil soups.
Lentil soup.
Soups. Yours and mine, lentil soups.
Yeah. So let's shut that off, yeah? Well, that about does it for this weekend getaway. We hope you like the garlic cheese biscuit.
Yep.
And look down below for the original recipe, the basic biscuit.
Yeah, that's a great one too for biscuits and gravy, which
Oh,
is what
yeah.
we did on that video.
Oh,
Also,
yeah. That stuff's a bomb. So,
well, excuse me, Robertsville State Park, not
yeah,
Russellville.
Robertsville.
Yeah, these are great biscuits to go with this lentil soup. So, thanks for watching, everybody.
Give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
Yep.
Share us on Facebook or Instagram or whatever social media sites you have. The reason why I say that's because Leslie has like 7.
Yeah.
And thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye. A couple minutes.
Oh my God.